This is the chicken mushroom I've ordered from Secret Recipe. Let me check what's inside. You can see Secret Recipe. That will enjoy your freshly packed safe food. Okay, let me open. Bismillah. Oh wow, you can see the chicken mushroom here. It's full of gravy. This is the chicken mushroom, full of gravy. Let me cut it. It looks yummy. Okay, I've cut it. You can see this is the chicken mushroom. It's looking good. Bismillah. This is a small mushroom. It's nice. I don't know what's inside this packet. Maybe they are rice. Bismillah. Let me open it. Oh yeah, you can see there are a lot of vegetables and rice. These are basically cherry tomato. Now it's hot. These are lettuce. They have given onion, cucumber, and let me try the rice. You can see the rice. Bismillah. It's just plain rice. It will be nice to eat with this chicken. This is the whole chicken, you can see. Damn big chicken. Let me put it here. I give a bite now with the chicken. Oh, this chicken is not wanting to come out. I have to cut with this. Okay, I got it. Let me eat it with rice. Yeah, you can see now. So this is the chicken with rice. Bismillah. It's nice, it's delicious. You can give it a try too.